Hey look, it's something new from Dekoni Audio. In collaboration with Lucid Audio and Etymotic, Dekoni Audio is pleased to announce the release of Earplugz hearing protection. Based on the popular Etymotic ER20XS noise attenuators used by musicians, the earplugs feature memory foam tips from Dekoni. Have your ears ever felt tired or sore after using the lawnmower? Well, a power lawnmower creates an average of 90 decibels of sound pressure, and a movie at the theater or a rock concert can produce even more. Etymotic's engineering research has revealed that the typical rock concert blasts sound at an average of 106 decibels of pressure, enough volume to put your ears at risk for permanent hearing damage after just 4 minutes of exposure. Enter the earplugs. Unlike single-use disposables, Dekoni earplugs still allow you to clearly hear concert music or movie dialogue, just quieter. An almost equal sound reduction of 21 decibels across all frequencies. This is enough to reduce the perceived volume to a quarter as loud, or 40 times less power hitting your eardrums. Now you can enjoy that rock concert for 6 hours, hearing every lyric and intricate guitar lick, mow the lawn, or watch a movie at a theater without sore ears by the time you finish. Your earplugs will come packaged with a carabiner, an upgraded splash-proof aluminum case for everyday carry, as well as a discreet neck cord in case you want to temporarily remove the earplugs without losing them. You also get 3 sizes of Dekoni Gemini bullets. The 3mm bore is color-coded in teal for large, blue for medium, and white plastic cores for the small tips. These slow-rebound memory foam tips can be rinsed off to remove earwax and keep them clean. The earplugs are available right now for $29.99 US.